median price, mult price, property recorded, and yeah. And actually, I made some views in order to get the information like with better looking, because descriptions, as you saw, are really large, and I don't want to see them. And I don't know, maybe you only need the value information, not the valuable, because all of them are actually valuable, but maybe you don't need the neighborhood or the state. I mean, you just need the numbers. So I made a view with that, and I made another one with just simply everything else, but no description. No description, because description, as I told you, is still large. And yeah, that's kind of all. And I actually made something which is all information, obviously with no description, because I would like to see how this information is related with this one. My actually, as you can see, my tables are not really large. They're just one to many relation, because I mean, one state could have many different properties, but a property just can't have yeah, a single state, just can't be in a single place. So that's the reason why there are only two. And as I told you, and I made some indexing, because I mean, PostgreSQL is very good at performance. I'm not really getting some like errors or troubles with the performance, because Postgre is very good at that. That number is not really important in order to get a better performance. So yeah, and actually, oh sorry, let's go. And I have the queries I made for this specific project, because I had to clean a lot. Maybe you can see that null values are for some reason put it like as a string, and I had to edit them, update them to a null, real null value, and I get some of the average price. But I mean, the reason why I made this, it's because I need to understand how the database is actually working. What are the different stuff or I don't know, issues that are happening into my information. So I need to alter some tables, drop something that is not going actually good, and using this specific syntax, because this syntax means I mean, we're using PostgreSQL, and PostgreSQL has the data type money, and I need to make a cast for that. So yeah, I need to see if there are some prices which are not actually using the notation of this. I mean, there are no properties with $1 or $0, you know. So yeah, and I don't know, there are a lot of queries I made in order to understand and get as clean as I could my information. So I don't know, there are a lot of work here. You can see that I made the median price at the mult and the mult price completely using SQL. SQL is able to do this, and actually how I made this states table, it's very interesting, because here is the information, but I need to make a script in order to add this information into the table. And actually it was like, okay, I need to connect into my PostgreSQL database. So here is the library that could do that. Go ahead and try to hack me. And yeah, that's all that we do. I mean, I need to connect myself into the database, create the queries, in this way, but it's actually very similar. So yeah, this is the way I made this, and I would like to show you how this look like in the, oh my god, how this look like in a database. So I just go ahead and type PSQL, and you can see that the information, oh, let me just connect to my real estate database, which where I have the information. So here you can check how much data we have here. This is INM24, and here we have this number, this incredible number that I don't know how to say it. And well, I'm so you can check it. Now I'll show you how the information is actually shown. And let's go ahead and use all from, and the view it's INM24. Let's go with the description. Yeah, and let's get some random code, some random rows. Let's limit them to 20, and here you can see, let's minimize this a bit. Here you can see, I don't know if it's seen, if it's shown very well, but here you have the price of the house, the maintenance, if it actually have it, like in this example, the currencies utilizing, the property state, a neighborhood, the property address, how many square meters it has, and all this stuff. I have some other views that I actually show you in the schema, but now here, so check them out. No large text. Oh, no large, what is that called? I made a little mistake. No large text. What's happening? No large text. Yeah. And let's go order by. Oh, here it is. No large text. Order by random limit 20. No. What's wrong? Oh yeah, I saw it. No large text. Here it is. And you can see I just hide the information, which is actually like a string, except for property state, which is because actually this is really needed in my database, understanding from where is the house. So yeah, that's all we have here. I'll show you the states from states, and here we have all the info. And yeah, I think that's it from here. So now I'm very happy with my product. It's really interesting in my opinion. So yeah, that's all I think. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.